It's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to select the version of the game on your PlayStation 5. So if you want to play the PlayStation 4 version or the PlayStation 5 version, you can go ahead and decide which one to download or play. So on the home screen here, if we go on over to the game application, scroll on down, use the D-pad and go to the three little dots right here for more options. And then we can go to select version very easily. And then we can choose the PlayStation 5 version, or you can see I can download the PS4 version. So you might be doing this with Grand Theft Auto, and if you can't find the game, just under here we can go to search. Let's go to Grand Theft Auto, let's go GTA, press that, and then go to the game right here, let's select it. Then go on over to the three little dots, scroll on down, go to select version. Then you can download the PS4 version, and then you can start playing with your PlayStation 4 friends. So these are separate servers. So if you're on the PlayStation 5, you're only playing with the people on the PlayStation 5. It's not cross-gen or anything like that. But you can decide easily which one to download. And it's going to show up as two different applications now. So you can see PS5 version and the PS4 version right here. So it's the same icon. You just have to look underneath to see if it's PS4 or PS5. It'll just tell you right next to it. So it looks like Minecraft is only PS4. Share Factory is PS5. This one's PS5. This one's PS4, and Rocket League is a PS4 game as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.